Hola amigos, bienvenidos, ¿todo bien? Hello friends, welcome, all well? Welcome to another chapter of Spanish Language Learning Center, and today we'll be talking about European countries and cities. Yes, we have been through Spanish grammar for a while, and this chapter can be a good break from the grammar rules. Today we'll be just talking about few geographical terms and then the names of European countries and the cities, which will get you started with more variety of conversation in your day-to-day life. So here we go. So first term, country. So country is país. País. Now country word is a masculine noun. So the country, el país. El país. Remember our definite article chapter where we were talking about various forms of the. So country is a masculine word, el país. And El País happens to be one of the leading newspapers of Spain. So yes, that's something you can start reading through. The countries, plural form, países, and to express the plural form of los países, the countries. City, cities, ciudad. Now this is a feminine word. So the cities, La ciudad. And if you want to say the cities, so then you may think that we should add as to the end to make the plural form. But then this word is a rule breaker. So you add es to it, although it's a feminine noun. So the cities, las ciudades. The town is pueblo. And it's a masculine noun, el pueblo. The village, la aldea. All these cities, countries, town, village, they are within a continent. Continent is continente. And it's a masculine noun, so el continente. So those are the basic geographical terms that we need to know. So first one is Russia. It's Rusia. Next one, Europe. The continent name, Europa. So one thing to note over here is that the country word itself is a masculine noun, or the continent word itself is a masculine noun. But the individual countries can be either masculine or have a feminine name. So they need not to be masculine by default. So that's something to remember. So although continent word, it's el continente, Europe, Europa. So when you say the Europe, la Europa. Another one, Spain. We are learning Spanish. España. So you see a little tilt over N. Remember first chapter, Spanish alphabets and sounds. So we have a sound of Y added to N when we see this little tilt. España. France. Francia. Switzerland. Suiza. Germany. Alemania. Austria, Austria. So spelling remains same, but just because Spanish sounds are different, Austria pronunciation is different. Italy, Italia. Morocco, Marruecos. Greece, Gracia. England, Inglaterra. Ireland, Irlanda. Great Britain, yes, that's a region comprising of England, Scotland and Ireland. It's Gran Bretagna. Norway, Noruega. Hungary, Hungria. Remember, H is silent in Spanish. We don't pronounce it at all. Hungría. Czech Republic. La República Checa. La República Checa. Portugal. 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 So just like Austria, spelling remains as it is in English. Just the pronunciation is different. Portugal. So that's our list of few countries, European countries, and that's something you can get started with in your conversations. So starting with the cities: London, Londres, Londres, Geneva, Ginebra, Ginebra. Remember our sound of G rules from the first chapter. So we have he in front of E, so G has the sound of English H. Ginebra. Munich, Munich, Munich. Paris, Paris, Paris. Looks exactly same like English, just I having an accent. Paris. Madrid. Spelling is same as English, pronunciation is different. Madrid, Madrid. So when we are actually calling out all these countries and the cities, it's just like the revision of the first chapter of this series where we have talked about all these sounds and the rules for various consonants. Warsaw, capital of Poland. Varsovia, Varsovia. Athens, Atenas, Atenas. Vienna, 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 Vienna. Prague, Praga, Praga. Rome, Roma, Roma. So that's it what we have in the list of European countries and cities. Adios.